जय महेश एवरीवन, मेरा नाम अविनाश झवर है। आई एम चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट फ्रॉम इंडिया एंड सीपीए फ्रॉम ऑस्ट्रेलिया।
Jai Mahesh. I am Devesh Maheshwari. I'm working as Chief Technology Officer at Lendi Group. सिडनी में मुझे 12 साल हो गए हैं। माहेश्वरी फैमिली के साथ जुड़े 10 साल के ऊपर हो गए हैं।
Hello, I am Ashish Kalantri. I am from Nasik, Maharashtra. I came to Australia in 2001 to pursue my master's degree, currently in Sydney, working in infrastructure and commercials domain.
जय श्री कृष्णा, जय महेश। मेरा नाम आनंद झवर है। मैं सिडनी में पिछले 24 साल से हूँ। आई एम ए क्वालिफाइड CPA with nearly 20 years of experience in accounting and 15 years of experience in mortgage broking.
जय श्री कृष्णा, जय महेश। मेरा नाम नवीन मर्दा है और मैं मनी का कमेटी मेंबर हूँ।
Jai Shri Krishna. Myself, Ashwin Heda, one of the key committee member of Mani. I reside in Sydney from last 20 years. Currently working for Australian Defence Force IT department.
Jai
Jai
Mahesh.
Mahesh.
Amongst early migrants, this is my wife
Neeta Butada.
and I am Kamal Bhutra. Handful we were a couple of decades plus back. We informally built our Maheshwari community into an extended family and luckily could continue that spirit with the dedicated active support of our dynamic ladies through a couple of annual events and some spontaneous activities. Now that our strength has grown to 175 plus families in NSW alone, need for formal organization was felt and with it has born money so that with the help of each in the family we can build ourselves stronger and effective.
As in the past and so far, let us collectively achieve the desired and much beyond and in a structured and organized manner.
Jai
Jai
Mahesh.
Mahesh.
I'm very excited to share that after 25 to 30 years, finally we are able to set up our formal association. इसके पीछे सभी कमेटी मेंबर्स का काफ़ी टाइम लगा। कभी कभी हमारे 3 से 4 घंटे मीटिंग के लिए लग जाते थे और हमारी जूम मीटिंग रात के 12 बजे तक ख़त्म होती थी।
हमें लगा कि माहेश्वरी फैमिली को थोड़ा सा स्ट्रक्चर रूप देना चाहिए ताकि अकाउंटेबिलिटीज़ क्लियर होंगी, रोल्स एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ बढ़ेगी, हमारे यंगस्टर्स साथ में आएंगे और हम ग्लोबल फुटप्रिंट पे माहेश्वरी फैमिली जो सिडनी में इतनी अच्छे से यूनाइटेड है उनको हम बाहर भी लेके जाएंगे और उससे एक काफ़ी महत्व बढ़ेगा।
First, prompting community engagement by active participation. Second, enhancing moral well-being by creating more opportunities for social interaction.
हमारे 4 बड़े इवेंट्स के अलावा हम बच्चों के लिए कुछ डिफरेंट करना चाहते हैं जिससे कि हमारे बच्चे एक दूसरे से जुड़े एंड दे आल्सो कम टू नो अबाउट आवर कल्चर।
My vision for Money is to provide a forward-looking, organized, and collaborative platform to the community wherein we can support and celebrate each other.
Our vision is to ensure the organization's long-term financial stability and success. In order to achieve the vision, my role is to make sure that I keep accurate records of the books and to oversee the financial health of the association. As you all know that the membership forms has been posted in Maheshwari group, I request every member of the community to join our association.
Trusted with this role allows me to contribute to the rich traditions and values that our community stands for. Together, we have the opportunity to make a meaningful impact, whether it's through supporting cultural initiatives, fostering unity, or addressing the needs of our members.
अभी हमने कमेटी फॉर्म की है, महीना भर भी नहीं हुआ है और हमने एक लोगो कंपटीशन शुरू किया है ताकि हम सारे माहेश्वरी फैमिली मेम्बर्स को साथ में लेके आ सके, एक पार्टिसिपेशन हो।
Hello all Maheshwaris, my name is Ankit Shah. I live at Schofield and I am from Gujarat in India. The logo features a shivling at its center, symbolizing the spirituality and the strength, along with the Trishul and the Tripund representing balance and power. The lotus at the bottom stands for the purity and the growth, with the words values, service, sacrifice, and virtue, highlighting our guiding principles. Creating the logo was a special experience for me even during my India tour. I had dedicated 5 to 10 minutes daily for a week to refine the design. I wanted to ensure it truly represents the unity and pride of our community. It has been an honor to contribute to the Maheshwari Association in this way. Jai Mahesh.